Welcome back to last video of these web design tutorials. Okay, so in this video I'm going to create this login and register page. So this is not a fancy login or register page. This is just a simple login and register page. I'm going to create this just to show you that how you can navigate between the pages in the simple HTML website. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to create two new HTML file here. First one is for login, okay, and let's call it as login.html, and second one is for register. Similarly, call this file as register.html. okay, so this both file gonna have same layout, so I'm going to copy this index file here, content of the index file, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the content of the site content division. Okay, so I'm going to replace this recent post with login to dashboard. Okay, similarly our register page will have similar content, only change is that it will have register form instead of login form. Okay, so let me say create new account. Okay, so if I show you the page here, login.html, you will see something like that. So we need to navigate to this link, right? So whenever we click on this login button, we want users to go to login page, and whenever we click on register button, we want user to go to register page. So all you have to do is change here login.html and /regs register.html. okay, now we need to replace this in all the file. Since we are doing this in HTML, there is no other way to do this. Okay, so in the demo file I was using Django. I was creating that project for Django, so it was really easy, but as you know, in the HTML we don't have any other choice. We need to replace this in all the place where the link is required. Let me remove this slash. Now it should work, right? Register login. Okay, now I'm going to create the simple form inside here. It's called the form. I want to give two input here, input type text, input type text, name is username, and also I want to give placeholder called the username. I want another field, that is password field. Name is password and the placeholder is password. Now I want to create a button that says login. Okay. Now let me give the class name of form this. If I refresh here, I'll see this login form. Now I want to style this form, not a heavy style, but this is simple style. Okay, I don't want to spend much time here. Okay, so dot form input display block padding 1 rem. Also for button, I want it to have padding of 1 rem. That's it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, okay, this looks good. that's it. Now I want to create register form. I'll just copy this form here and paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to insert few more field. Email. Yes, now it is working. For index we can give index.html, as you have probably guessed, and go to index file, register, login. Yeah, they are all working as expected. Okay, so as I said in the beginning of the video that there is some challenge for you. So the challenge is that I want you guys to create post content or something, content.html, and give this new link to this title. Okay, make this title clickable, and whenever user click on this title, redirect him to that content page and display the full content of the blog, okay, post. So also, and insert some ads or some sidebar content here, and I'm really excited to see how you guys going to complete this challenge. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys, and this brings us to the end of this web design video. So I hope you guys able to learn something, and if you guys want me to create more videos on these things, there are so many things I can create. What I don't know is where to start, so you can comment the suggestion in the comment box below. Okay, so if you guys need any help, anything, you can reach me to my Twitter, or you can message me in the channel. Okay, see you guys in my next other videos. Bye bye.